Look yummy, taste yummy. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to V's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I prepare this typical Nigeria breakfast, which is called Akara and Akamu. Let's get started. So guys, these are the recipe I will be using. For the akara, I will use my washed beans, salt, diced onions and diced Scotch bonnet pepper and vegetable oil. While for the akamu, which is also known as pap, I will be using my corn flour, sugar and milk. First is to grind my washed beans. Mind you guys, when grinding your beans, use little or no water so that it will not be waterish. So this is the outcome. Now I'm going to stir until it becomes a little bit light. So this is how it looks after I have stirred. Now is to add a little salt, my onions and pepper. Then I add a little bit of water. So now I mix and stir properly. So next is to heat up my vegetable oil so I can start frying my akara. So when frying your akara, don't forget to reduce the heat to avoid it from burning. As you can see guys, my akara is ready. So next is to prepare my akamu, which is also known as pap. I add milk to my corn flour and mix properly. Some people do use water, but me I prefer milk. So then I add hot water. Put it on the gas cooker and cook it for a little while with minimal heat. So while it's cooking, I keep stirring it. Then I add my peak milk and my sugar and I stir it more. After 5 to 10 seconds, my akamu is ready. I garnished it with pig milk. Voila, my breakfast is ready. It's so easy and quick to make. If you like this video guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, see you soon.